Welcome, crypto enthusiasts, to another exhilarating journey into the dynamic world of altcoins and crypto gaming. Today, we're diving deep into the radar-worthy altcoins that have caught our attention, exploring their unique features, potential for growth, and the exciting opportunities they bring to the table. But remember, in the ever-evolving crypto space, knowledge is power, and prudent decision-making is key. Before we unravel the mysteries of these altcoins, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon for notifications, and join our community for the latest updates. Now, let's embark on this crypto adventure together. The fervor and anticipation within the gaming sector are escalating at a remarkable pace, particularly with the looming prospect of an impending bull run. The primary objective of this video is to ensure you stay well informed about a multitude of gaming projects that hold promising potential. Drawing from the positive reception of previous gaming altcoin videos, I am genuinely excited to present a detailed analysis of 3 more gaming altcoins, each poised for substantial growth in the forthcoming bull run. In this expansive and thorough overview, my intention is to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of each gaming project. I will meticulously delve into the intricate details of their ecosystems, meticulously scrutinize recent price actions, and illuminate the distinctive features that distinguish each project from the rest. By doing so, we aim to equip you with a nuanced perspective on the burgeoning gaming landscape, offering valuable insights that go beyond mere surface-level observations. Get ready for a deep dive into the potential of these gaming altcoins and the factors that could propel them to new heights in the anticipated bull market. Altcoin number 1, Illuvium's ILV token. Embarking on the first leg of our journey into the world of altcoins brings us to altcoin number 1, where we shine a spotlight on the ILV token associated with the groundbreaking Illuvium project. Positioned on the Ethereum blockchain and leveraging the cutting-edge Layer 2 blockchain scaling technology offered by Immutable X, Illuvium stands at the forefront of innovation in the crypto gaming realm. The overarching vision of Illuvium is nothing short of revolutionary: the creation of the world's premier interoperable blockchain game universe. Delving into the multifaceted utility of the ILV token within the Illuvium ecosystem reveals its pivotal role. Beyond being a mere digital asset, ILV plays a crucial part in the dynamic gaming environment. From serving as a conduit for in-game rewards, empowering players to make in-game purchases, to actively engaging in the governance mechanisms through the Illuvium DAO, ILV proves itself as a cornerstone of Illuvium's thriving ecosystem. A critical aspect of our exploration involves a retrospective analysis of ILV's historical performance since its inception in 2020. By scrutinizing the token's trajectory during the last bull run, we aim to discern patterns and trends that may offer insights into the potential for a repeat of the remarkable price action. Through this historical lens, we seek to unravel the factors that contributed to ILV's previous surges, discerning whether the conditions are ripe for a resurgence and potentially a new all-time high. As we navigate through the intricate landscape of Illuvium and its ILV token, we strive not only to understand the past but also to forecast the future. By unraveling the unique features, partnerships, and technological foundations of Illuvium, we aim to equip you with a comprehensive understanding of altcoin number 1 and its potential trajectory in the ever-evolving crypto gaming market. Get ready for an in-depth exploration that goes beyond the surface, uncovering the layers that contribute to ILV's significance within the expansive Illuvium project. Altcoin number 2, Portal, connecting the blockchain gaming space. Navigating our journey deeper into the realm of altcoins, our focus shifts to the second entrant on our radar, Portal, an eagerly anticipated project poised to redefine the landscape of blockchain gaming. As it stands on the cusp of its imminent launch, Portal embarks on a mission to revolutionize the gaming sector by effectively addressing the inherent challenge of catering to the diverse needs of gamers. This ambitious endeavor is set to unfold by building on Layer 0, thereby facilitating cross-chain interoperability and ushering in a new era of seamless gaming experiences. One of Portal's standout attributes lies in its formidable partner network, a testament to its strategic positioning within the gaming industry. The alliance includes heavyweight games such as Star Atlas, Illuvium, and Origin, underscoring Portal's ability to attract and collaborate with major players in the crypto gaming arena. The project has successfully garnered an impressive funding pool, surpassing the $120 million mark, a financial milestone that not only attests to investor confidence but also signifies the substantial potential perceived in Portal's vision. As Portal's journey unfolds and approaches the pre-sale phase, our scrutiny intensifies, and we commit to providing an insightful analysis of the project's unique features. By delving into the intricacies that set Portal apart in the crypto gaming arena, we aim to decipher the value propositions, technological innovations, and strategic partnerships that contribute to its uniqueness. Anticipation builds as we await the unveiling of Portal's pre-sale, where we anticipate an opportunity to explore the tokenomics, distribution strategy, and participation mechanisms that will shape the project's early trajectory. Join us as we embark on this exploration of Portal, a project on the brink of making waves in the blockchain gaming space. Through a comprehensive examination of its architecture, partnerships, and financial backing, we endeavor to paint a detailed portrait of Portal's potential impact on the evolving landscape of crypto gaming. Stay tuned for an in-depth analysis that goes beyond the surface, unraveling the layers that make Portal a distinctive player in the ever-evolving world of blockchain gaming. Venturing into the third dimension of our altcoin odyssey brings us to altcoin number 3, Pixels. XYZ- an immersive journey into the expansive realm of open-world gaming. Positioned at the intersection of land building and farming style gameplay, Pixels. XYZ emerges as a visionary project, introducing a gaming experience powered by the innovative Ronin blockchain. At the heart of Pixels, XYZ lies a distinctive dual coin system, comprised of berry and pixel tokens, each endowed with specific functions within the intricate tapestry of the gaming ecosystem. As players navigate this multifaceted virtual landscape, the berry token assumes the mantle of the primary in-game currency, facilitating transactions and serving as the lifeblood of the gaming economy. Simultaneously, the pixel token takes on a premium role, offering players the opportunity to indulge in cosmetic enhancements and unlock exclusive in-game features, from special items to skins, and even skill enhancers. What sets Pixels XYZ apart goes beyond the dual coin system. It's the vibrant and engaged community that forms the backbone of this project. With a fervent following on social media platforms and a burgeoning Discord community, Pixels XYZ has cultivated an environment where enthusiasts and players alike converge to share experiences and contribute to the project's evolving narrative. Moreover, Pixels XYZ has recently made a strategic move, transitioning from the Polygon blockchain to the Ronin blockchain. This migration positions Pixels XYZ within the burgeoning Ronin network, home to gaming behemoth Axie Infinity. The implications of this move are far-reaching, opening up avenues for increased visibility, accessibility, and integration within a network that boasts a massive player base. As we traverse the terrain of Pixels XYZ, our expedition will extend beyond the surface, peeling back the layers to explore the untapped potential encapsulated within both the berry and pixel tokens. Through a meticulous dissection of the project's unique features, strategic partnerships, and community dynamics, we aim to unravel the compelling narrative that defines Pixels XYZ in the dynamic landscape of crypto gaming. Join us in this comprehensive exploration as we navigate Pixels XYZ, deciphering the intricacies that contribute to its allure and potential for growth. From the fertile landscapes of open-world gameplay to the blockchain-powered economies of berry and pixel tokens, we embark on a journey that transcends conventional gaming experiences, immersing ourselves in the promise of Pixels XYZ within the ever-evolving crypto gaming space. As these intriguing altcoins captivate our attention and earn their place on my radar, it becomes paramount to underscore the significance of undertaking thorough research before venturing into investment decisions. The unpredictable and volatile nature of the cryptocurrency space necessitates a prudent and cautious approach, urging investors to exercise diligence and engage in a comprehensive analysis of the projects. Emphasizing the fundamental principle of investing only what one can afford to lose is crucial in this dynamic environment. The crypto market, known for its rapid fluctuations, demands a strategic and measured investment strategy to mitigate potential risks. This cautious approach ensures that investors are well prepared for the inherent uncertainties that characterize the crypto space. As we navigate the ever-evolving landscape of crypto gaming, it is essential to acknowledge that this journey is not without its risks and uncertainties. The allure of potential gains should be tempered with a realistic understanding of the associated challenges and the need for adaptability in this rapidly changing market. Should the insights shared about these altcoins pique your interest, rest assured that our exploration into the dynamic world of crypto gaming is far from over. Stay tuned for regular updates as we continue to delve into promising projects, market trends, and emerging opportunities within the crypto space. Your engagement and thoughts are valuable, and I invite you to share your perspectives in the comments section below. Together, let us navigate the exciting and transformative landscape of crypto gaming with a keen awareness of the opportunities and challenges that lie ahead.